Hi, it's your movement docs, Nolan and Don. You are about to watch the very last video of our series on how not to have hunchback and how to avoid awful posture. So today we have a treat for you. It's pretty passive and a very easy way to correct your posture. You can use either a posture brace, which I'll demo in a second, a yoga strap, or really there's probably a bunch of other things online, but those we found particularly helpful. So let me show you how to use that strap. Nolan is going to be my demo. Can you turn slightly sideways? It's a little tricky to put it on if you think about it. If you don't, it's literally like putting on an upside down bra. So easy enough for you.
I've never put on an upside down bra.
Well, you're about
or a right side up one for that matter.
All right, you are going to place this little guy onto the shoulders, and I'm going to show you the back. The cross right over here is going to be slightly lower. You can place the strap right at that shoulder level, so it will create nice external shoulder rotation, and Nolan is able to type with this. Probably not exercise too much with this, but you keep this on for roughly 15 to 30 minutes a day.
Yeah, and as you get more comfortable with it, you can wear it more. It's great for people who are hunched in front of the computer all day. This just helps offset that a little bit. We also use it for patients when we're trying to help fix their posturing, open up their back again as a temporary thing until the muscles get strong enough to hold them on their own, right?
If you are not planning on purchasing a posture brace, you can use a yoga strap, which is available pretty much at any of your retailers. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube as well on how to do this. Our favorite way is starting from the back. Try not to hit your partner or friend in the face.
Yes.
Place it onto your back like a backpack. From here on, you create a press. Pretty nice and tight. And right over here in the front, you use the friendly loopy loops to loop it around and really tighten it well onto your rib cage. You can scooch it downwards. I did not make this tight enough, but you get the idea.
Purchase version. Homemade do-it-yourself version. They both look about the same at the end, right?
So people honestly love these a lot. They ask us about this all the time. What I do and what Nolan does when we come into the office in the morning, we literally wear it for 15, 20 minutes just to kind of reset the body.
Yeah, people love them and they think, oh, it's gonna be weird, that would look weird. But then actually they're like, their coworkers start asking like, where'd you get that?
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
So they work very well. They make you feel pretty good actually. So like, follow, subscribe.
And be body wise.